Hi, my name is Joanne Ureste, and I'm one of the Family and Community Health County Safety Agents for Texas A&M Agri-Life Extension, Hidalgo County. Walk Alert Texas is an 8-week program that helps Texans establish the habit of regular physical activity. Today I will teach you how to dance Boogie shoes. This dance is modified to prevent any dizziness. I hope these modifications will make line dances more accessible and enjoyable for everyone.
Hi, let's get started. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to start with our right heel, so it's going to be, pretend a little buckle, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left, right, left. So we'll do that for 4 counts. So let's practice. Here we go. Right, left, right, left. After this, we're going to grapevine to the right, to the left, to the right, to the left. All right, here we go. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, repeat. And last 1. Easy. Let's do that again. All right, here we go. Heel, 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 heel. Grapevine 2 times. Last time, here we go. Perfect. Okay, the next step is to do a little scoot 3 times. So it's going to go with the right, kick, kick, kick. All right, so let's practice. Ready? With the right, kick, kick, kick. After we get there, we're just going to fall back into place where we were 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and do it all over again. So let's give it a go and practice the whole song. Let's go. Ready? Heel, 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 heel. Grapevine, remember, 2 times. Last one. Kick, scoot. And where we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do it again. Heel, 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 heel. Grapevine. Here we go. Let's do it 2 times. That's 1. Last one. Scoot, 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 and go back where you were. That's all.